Welcome back to another video. So it's been a while since I've opened up a Gear EDC Club box. In fact, I think the last one I opened up was November of 2021. So a year and a half ago at this point. So let's see what's in this box for May of 2023. At least I believe it's the May box. I received this on May 4th. I'm recording the video on May 5th. 2023, and there you go. It looks like there's 3 items in here and some stickers on the bottom. But first, let's just pull out this first item right here. This is Waka Coffee and Tea Light Roast Instant Coffee. To be honest, this is the last thing I expected to be in this box, but I like coffee. I'm a little confused about the pink packaging, but it says they're bringing instant back. So this is instant coffee. And let's just open this up because I'm curious to see if it's a single cup or I don't know, never mind. It says 8 single serve pockets. So yeah, just 8 pockets, pink packaging, Waka instant light coffee. Okay, I've never had this brand. I'm not really into instant coffee. Every time I think of instant coffee, I instantly think of Sanka from the 70s and 80s, but that's just me. I'm sure this is great. Maybe I'll try this tomorrow morning. I don't know. Right now I have my Red Bull. Let's move on. It looks like the next 2 things in this box are knives. There's a Kubi knife and an Ace Giant Mouse knives. So let's check out and see what this is. So this is a Ace Giant Mouse Nibbler. I only have a few Giant Mouse knives, but the 2 that I have, I absolutely love. This guy is tiny, man. Like an anodized looking purple. Let's take this out of the pack. Let's bring back the Microtech, the knife to open the knife. Wow, it is wee. Looks like purple aluminum handles here. Look at this guy. This thing is super little. Little thumb hole right there to deploy the blade. Looks like it is an inset liner lock right there. A wired deep carry pocket clip. Little attachment point right there for a lanyard at the tail. This is very cool. So let's see. There's no way I'm flicking this open. Oh, hold on. Let me do the Spidey flick. Almost. Come on. There we go. Awesome. So let's test out how sharp it is on this Giant Mouse card right here that came in the box. Oh, of course. Very, very sharp. So let's read about it in the cheat sheet that comes with the box here. This is the Giant Mouse Ace Nibbler, 95 bucks. The Nibbler is a compact and efficient folder that works as a great EDC in areas and situations that size matters. And it looks like it's a Vox and Anzo design. And I'm trying to look for the materials here. Okay, a 2-inch N690 steel blade with aluminum handles, backspacer, and it's manufactured by Riot. And I say this every single time I talk about a knife made by Riot or manufactured by Riot. Riot gets a lot of hate in the knife community for whatever reason. My guess is because they're made in China. But if you're a knife collector, you absolutely love Riot just because of the high quality. Those knives are absolutely fantastic, manufactured by that company. And extremely pricey too. So this little guy at 95 bucks, that's a pretty high price for these materials and the size, but you know, a Giant Mouse knife manufactured by Riot, sure. So the Giant Mouse Ace Nibbler. Let's go to the last box that's in this month's Gear EDC Club. It's a Kubi knife, and trying to see what it is before I open it. There's only a model number on the bottom, color gray, type M390 and titanium. So some pretty high-end materials here. I just don't know what knife this is. I'm gonna open it with the Giant Mouse. Okay. Oh yes, very cool. So I'll give you a look at this knife in the bag. I'm just gonna look at the cheat sheet. This is a Kubi knife, Monster Dog, titanium handles, $174.95. Awesome. Let's open this up and take a look at this bad boy. Wow. titanium handles. It said it is an M390 blade. And I haven't even opened this up yet, and I know I'm gonna love the shape of this blade. Check out that unique shape right there on the top of the spine of this blade. Let me just open it up. Oh, very hard detent right there. All right, wow. Look at the shape of that thing. Now that is a very unique blade shape right there. That aggressive dip right there, right past the jimping, just dips right down. Looks like it has a frame lock right there. And oh man, this blue anodized titanium pocket clip right there. You can see it's not exactly, it's almost deep carry. And yeah, it is reversible. You can see where it's attached to the frame right there. So it looks like you can just reverse it. And that same blue anodized color that's on the titanium pocket clip, you see right there on the back spacers. So let's just test out the drop shut. Very nice. Wow. There's a very strong detent holding that blade in place, but it just gives it that aggressive flick when you use those studs right there. And just check out that drop shut. That is absolutely beautiful. Now I'm gonna take a look at this cheat sheet, see what Going Gear has to say about it. It says Kubi knife, Monster Dog, titanium handles, $174.95. Introducing the Kubi Knives Monster Dog. A Foley knife that stands out from the rest. Its unique blade shape resembles a monster or a dog's head when held horizontally. So held horizontally, yeah, I can see it kind of. Smaller, wider blade, compact size, is perfect for everyday carry. Right here, the knife features a satin finished sheep's foot blade made of CPM 20 CV steel. 20 CV steel. On the back of the packaging here, it literally says type M390 and titanium. You guys can see that right there. 20 CV steel and a durable 6AL4V titanium handle and frame lock. 6AL4V titanium is also known as grade 5 titanium. The overall length is 7.01 inches and weighs 4.80 ounces. Very nice. I can see this blade shape being very controversial. It just has that unique blade shape that some of you guys are gonna love and some of you guys are gonna absolutely despise. I'm in the category of loving this. I love unique blade shapes like this. And this blade stock is very thick. Look how thick that blade stock is there on the spine. Let's just check out to see how sharp this blade is. Absolutely. So this is by far my favorite item in this month's Going Gear box. And just so you guys know, this is, I noticed it right here on the cheat sheet. It says Premium April 23. So this is the Premium Going Gear EDC Club box, and it is April's box, not May's box. It also says that these stickers in here are the Giant Mouse swag pack, free from your friends at Giant Mouse. The great people at Giant Mouse were kind enough to put together a small swag pack for our EDC Club members. Very cool, man. Let's see what it is. So right here, it's like pretty cool patch. Looks like some sort of a Viking ship that's on fire. Very cool. And little mouse. Just get out there. Very awesome. And then what are these? Couple stickers. So this one says Shank Sharpeners Union. This sticker looks exactly like the patch right there. And then another Giant Mouse sticker. And on the back it says Knives Done Right. What are these? Oh, look at that. Very cool. And then Shank Sharpeners Union. This is kind of a cool sticker. It's sort of a metal look to it. See that? Very nice. And then a Going Gear sticker. But that's it. That's the last thing that's in the box. I'm sorry. Some Waka Coffee information. But now really that's all that's in the box here. So the Waka Coffee Light Roast Instant Coffee is $11.99. There's no price on the stickers or patches here. Giant Mouse Ace Nibbler, $95, and the Kubi Knife Monster Dog, $175. And I am absolutely loving this Monster Dog so far. I love unique blade shapes like this. This is going straight to the pockets. All right, guys, that's pretty much it for this video. What do you think of the April Premium box from Going Gear EDC Club? If you're interested in the Going Gear EDC Club subscription box, I will have a link down below in my description box. Subscription box, description box. But if you did enjoy this video, please give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. And go!